Shit.
See if we can get one out in Owner's field, see if I'm lucky, if the dogs don't jump beforehand. Pick up this fucking Adelaide here, eh? I'm sure it's, yeah, it's a big. See if the dogs can get onto it. Standing on the headland up here. I think Digit's just spotted it. Oh. Jesus Christ. Got him. Got him by the arse. He's on a bad ball. Oh shit, he's got the hook too. Not a bad ball. I don't know if you could see, but talk about some arse and stop. He was in the world of trouble. Little boar the dog's just got. He obviously completely buggered up, thinking he could make it out this way. I don't know where he was going, but I say he's the one that's been eating all the, or digging up all this orchard here. So, yeah, very good. Not a bad little boy, he'd be 50 or so, but mean little bugger. He's giving it to the dogs. Nice to see how the dogs pull one up as well. Heading into another block, and I should get a jump here pretty quickly, I'd reckon. The way the dogs were acting earlier. And I know that there's a certain big red apple or cherry tree up here. It's a bit different to the ones you get down south, but I'm pretty sure it should be fruiting. So the one on the other block I went to the other day, and not that far from here was, so if that's fruiting, pigs would have been good for sure. Digging around this bastard. Holy shit. You may never know, and we may know. I'll just say 112. $116. Still letting that away from me. Not awfully fast. If she has got a pig, she's either got it half bailed or she hasn't found it yet. She's after a pig, sir. Oh. Did just get one bailed. I don't know if you can hear that, did just got one bailed, but Pepper's coming around the top of me here, just checking to make sure my GoPro's on. So I sort of don't want to take off until I see if Pepper catches hers, because it'll be a lot closer. And with them three there, soon to be Remy, they should keep whatever they have without too much drama. I think Pepper's turning around, so I'll head to Remy's just getting there, we'll see if she lugs it. They're all there. Yeah, I'm not lugging it. Might be alright. We're getting close now. 36. And he's in the gully. Let me see it. See it. Shit spot. Oh, okay. Oh, Did I? Haven't got him. So, these dogs had this board just here, climbed up on this rock and put him down, and here he is. Digit. Good girl. Yeah. Little. Oh, and there's little pokers there. Sharp little buggers. Other than that, that's a good little boar. Trying to get out of the creek up there, but he just had no chance. You can't run somewhere like that with the dogs behind you. Hey dogs, very good. That's number 4 for the morning. Pretty happy with that. Oop. Little one. See what happens. There we go. Digi's out 104 out here. So, yeah. The other dogs haven't quite picked up on whatever she's picked up on. Only because Digi's normally out 100 or more metres at least from me at all times. So, that's why she's picked it up, and the other dogs are sort of meandering around sort of 10 to 60 on average. So, anyway, we'll see if we can get something. Battery's getting low, so we'll turn this off. Digi's on one, I think. Ooh. Digi does one barred at 124. 2. Some pigs out there. Oh. 80 metres. I might try to go straight to did use it 100 out here. Come on, Digi, stay with yours. Did you? They left it. You're shitting me. They're coming to digit. They had this fucking pig bailed. Take a quick photo, I'll keep going. Good dogs. Oh no. They've got him. That pig must have just broke on a gunshot. Yes! I'm gonna get 2 out of this mob. Hold on, I'm gonna get a bit closer because I'm gonna run out of battery. I think I just missed that pig. Oh, it's number 7 anyway. Might have got some footage on my phone. But yeah, pig number 7. It's a bit disappointing. Thought I got that. Anyway, trying to save battery. I'll show you it when I can get into where it is now. Here's this pig. 40 kilo little boar. Second one, Digit got that one just before out of this mob. Very happy. Turn this off but I run out of battery. Just in a cassowary, hopefully it's not aggressive. Have it down there. Not really ideal. Yeah. Dogs aren't too fast. Big cat of haulers down that. Oh, they got one. Cat of haulers pulled it up. Enough, 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 enough! Here, look out. Decent boar. Shit. Didn't expect that. Good dogs. Look at my boar. Not bad, he's pretty big, he'd be 50 kilos. Pretty big for a mob boar, I should say. Yeah, Catahoula's got that one. Digi was out bloody 200 looking somewhere else. Probably about to hit another pig. Anyway. There you go.